Hey Sarah, it's Robert. Just thought I'd shoot this quick video for you. It's actually pretty easy to add one of those Wufoo forms as long as you have the Wufoo embed code. Let me show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is go to your backend, trinityheritage.com/wp-admin. Log in there real quick with your credentials. You should see this. First thing you need to do is you're going to be adding a page. So click on the pages on the left-hand side. Once you see all of the list of your pages here, just click this top button that says Add New. Once it opens up this little section here, what you need to do is name title. Title needs to be whatever the name of your Wufoo form is. So you can, this is my new Wufoo form. And once you click off of that, what WordPress is automatically going to do is create a link to it. You just need to make sure it does that. You don't need to really do anything with it, but just verify visually that it does that. Once it's done that, click on the Use the Divi Builder. And I actually have a little cheat built in here, baked into here for you, so we don't have to recreate the wheel every time. So what you're going to actually do is once you click that Divi button, you're going to see this eventually. And once you see it, go ahead and choose a pre-made layout and click Browse Layouts. I have actually built and saved a layout for you. It's, when you load from library, you click Your Saved Layouts. Here's a handful of different things I've used for different reasons, but I've saved one that's called simply Wufoo Forms. And once you click on it, it's going to go ahead and import that layout for us automatically so that we don't have to recreate this every time. Now, it's done almost all the work for us already. The one thing that we have left to do on this page is actually to insert the correct Wufoo form. And so under this here where it says code on this gray box, you'll see the gear on the left-hand side. That's for this individual module's settings. Once you click it, it should open up a new box here. And it will come with a piece of Wufoo form embed already in there, but you need a new one. And so when you're on your Wufoo forms, you're looking for the embed code, and it'll either say WordPress embed or shortcode embed. I cannot remember the exact terminology, but once you click on it and copy it, it will look something like this with your brackets on the end and has a few pieces of small information like your username, the form's shortcode or the form's hash. And so once you have that, you're going to come in here, delete everything, and paste in your new shortcode. You click the checkmark button, and then you got to come over here and click Publish. When you do that, it's going to take a minute to process, but it's literally putting the page together, adding it to your website, and you are almost done. So the page itself exists, but there's really no way to access it yet because it's not really linked to anything. So the final step for you is once you've come in here, you've made this page, you've added the code, you've clicked Publish, you see this confirmation that your page is published. You're going to come over to the left-hand side again, and you're going to go to Menus. It's under Appearance, Menus. When you click on that, it's going to open up a new area in here. It's because it opens up typically alphabetically, you should already see the menu for employee forms here. If not, you just come up here to this top and find the employee forms one and click Select. It'll open it up. Our most current made pages will appear here, and all you have to do is click the box, add the menu right here, and it's going to insert it in this menu, and you click Save, and it will add it to the menu. Just so you know, that menu exists. Employee access. So that's this menu here, and you know that anytime you click on one of these, this menu stays on the right-hand side so people can go back and forth. But you can see this new one I just did was right here, and it's actually a copy of this timesheet English one. It's a copy of the per diem one. But we can change this, tweak this. That's how you would add to it. Also, if you don't like the order of that for some reason and you want that new one up further, you can click and drag. Just know that you need to make sure that it is parallel on the left-hand side, because if it's not, if it appears like this, it's going to actually end up a sub item where they have to click something before they'll see it. So make sure that it's parallel. But once you've done that, you click saved. That's it. 100% done. Hope that helps. If you have any questions or you can't figure out the Wufoo short code, just email me, call me, whatever. I'll be available pretty much for the rest of the day. Talk to you later, Sarah. Bye.